Welcome! In this tutorial, we will show you the steps you should follow if you want to submit a Scanline scene to be rendered using RebusFarm. I will use here Max 2019, but the same process should be applicable to any other versions too. Let's open Render Setup and check our render settings. Under the Common tab, we will define the rendering frame range and rendering output. As you can see, the animation we have is 30 frames long, so we will specify that by choosing Active Time Segments. For the render output, make sure Save File is checked, then press Files to define the output name and render format. We will use JPEG format, but feel free to choose any other format. When all is set, press Save. Now we are ready to submit the job. From the RebusFarm toolbar, press Render Now to open the RebusFarm Render Setup window. Please refer to our previous video for more info about submitting using 3ds Max. In this case, I'll just make sure to activate Autostart so the rendering process will automatically start as soon as the uploading is done. Then hit the Render Now button. A new window will open for RebusFarm messages to show all the relevant information, warnings, and errors your scene might have. As all is fine here, we can send it to RebusFarm. RebusFarm plugin will upload all the assets that are required for rendering. You can check the progress of the uploading and rendering by visiting the ControlCenter. Once the upload is complete, the rendering process will start. You can check the preview for rendered frames to avoid any issues. Also note that, as soon as one frame is done, the download process will start automatically to save time. You can press Open Download Folder to check the rendered frames. The rendering process is complete now. And here is the rendered animation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section. Here are also some other videos that might interest you. To keep up to date with our channel, don't forget to subscribe.